Okay, good afternoon, Adnaan. This
Good
session
afternoon.
I have scheduled just to guide you with your assignments and with your course, that
Yeah,
how you're required to work with us during your journey of your course, right?
yeah.
So, first of all, have you received a Moodle login details from us
Yes, I have.
via email, yeah?
Yeah.
And have you ever tried logging into your Moodle account?
Yes, I've logged in and I attempted one assignment. I think I'm nearly finished with it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna share my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
So this is how your Moodle looks like, right?
Yeah.
So this is your course overview, which will give you the general guidance regarding your course, the
Yeah.
overview, and our policies for plagiarism and malpractice, right?
Yes.
And these are your units which you are required to do in your course. So there are 7 units in total which you have to do, right?
Mhm.
So may I ask you that I think you mentioned that you're currently working on a unit. So which
Yeah.
unit have you started?
The cybersecurity one.
All right, okay. So this is the unit which you have started. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give you the overview that how you can start your unit and how you have to work on your unit, right?
Okay.
So this is the unit specification which you can go through, right? Because these are the questions which you are required to attempt in your assignment.
Yeah.
Right? Now, I'm gonna show you the assignment brief of your course, like of your particular unit.
Yeah.
So, just give me a moment. Not sure what happened here. So, this is the assignment brief of a
Yeah, I had a
particular
look at
unit.
it.
Yeah. So, you can just go through the assignment brief first, just go through with bits and pieces that what is the requirement of this particular unit, because usually you have to submit a Word document for a
Hmm.
unit, but in some units it will ask you to submit a PowerPoint presentation for a particular task.
Yeah, I wanted to ask for DC task one. I
Yeah.
started task one, right? And it
Mm-hmm.
said a presentation, right? So I put it on Google Slides. Is that okay? Or
It is better if you can submit in a PowerPoint.
okay.
So
Change
Microsoft
it to
PowerPoint.
PowerPoint.
Yeah. Are you using Microsoft Word to writing your assignments?
No, I've only started that task one because I was on a
No
holiday.
worries. All right, no worries. So it will be better if you can write in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation,
Okay.
because you're required to do speaker notes as well. So when you do your presentation, in the bottom of the slide, you can put the speaker notes as well, where you can explain the particular slide.
Yeah.
So in the slide, you're gonna write down only the key points, isn't it? You cannot write all the details in a particular one or maybe 10 slides, right?
Yeah.
So you can only mention the key details into the slides, and in the speaker notes, you can explain those details, right? So as you mentioned, that task one, it is asking for the presentation, right? And then
Hmm.
other tasks, you have to submit them into the Word document. So ATHE's assignment briefs, they don't usually tell you the clear word count, that in the particular unit you are required to submit your assignment for this word count, right? So your word count should be in the range of more than 2500 words. If you are
Across the
aiming
whole
for,
assignment.
yes, whole assignment.
Okay.
If you are aiming for a higher grade, which is a merit or a distinction, then definitely your word count gonna increase. which will be more than maybe 3 or 4,000 words, right?
Okay.
Try to keep your assignment under the 5,000 words, right?
Mm-hmm.
So just go through to this assignment brief, and after going through, you can attempt the questions which are mentioned here, right? These are the questions. It is, you can find the questions in the assignment briefs as well, but these are clearly labeled here, right?
Yeah.
So it will be better if you can, clearly label your questions into your assignment, so it will be easier for your tutor to mark your assignment.
So sorry, there's also one thing I wanted to ask. In terms of AI, there's no AI, right? I'm not allowed to use like ChatGPT to order anything for me, right?
You can use whatever you want, to be honest, but definitely you have to paraphrase those content,
Okay.
because you cannot just copy and paste, right?
Yeah, yeah, I know copy. I was gonna
Yeah.
ask if I could like if I gave it a brief to ask how would I start it or like and then paraphrase from there or like a layout.
Yeah, you can, you have to paraphrase the content, basically. You
Yeah.
cannot copy and paste. And here we're gonna run the AI scan before marking
Mm-hmm.
your assignment. So AI scan and plagiarism scan. So in that report, if your AI detection and the plagiarism score is higher than 20%, then we will provide you your assignment back, that you have to paraphrase the content, and then you can resubmit your assignment again, right?
Okay,
So it should be less than 20%, basically.
that's fine.
Okay. And there is a one document which you have to sign off every time when you do your assignments.
The
So
plagiarism one.
no, no, it says declaration of
Yeah.
originality. So this is how it looks like. I will provide you this document via email, right? So it's just a name, student number, your course name, and assignment
Mm-hmm.
name, which is your unit name. You have to checkbox all these boxes, and then you have to sign the document.
Yeah, they showed me how to do this in the induction.
Yep. So you have to submit this document along with all your units,
Yeah.
right? So this is how you have to complete all your units, basically. In 1 or 2 units, you're gonna find the sample assignment.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe in the Moodle we have updated the sample assignment. I don't think so. We have sample assignment for this unit, but for some unit you're gonna find the sample assignments, but we don't provide the sample assignments for all units. So
Okay.
right? If you have any queries, you can just drop us a quick email, and your tutor will be able to help you from there. So
Okay, thanks.
I'm just gonna write down an email address to you where you have to submit your assignments. Yeah.
I think I have it saved already.
Okay, so it's learnerwork@ukvarsity.co.uk, right?
Yeah.
And upon your submission, you're gonna get an automated email from us. That means that we have received your submission here,
Okay.
right? And if you have any type of queries with the assignments, you can definitely drop an email to the same email address.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Any questions for me on this?
Um, it's just no. At first I just didn't really understand where to get the information on. Do I just
Mm-hmm.
watch the videos just for the information?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh, okay. Because it's
yeah.
kind of confusing at first. I thought it was gonna be like PowerPoints or something for me to look at, but then I just watched the video and gained a bit.
Yeah, no worries. And where it asks for the PowerPoint, you have to
Yeah,
do only that particular task into the PowerPoint presentation, and other tasks should be in the Word document.
yeah.
So when you submit your assignment, there should be three documents. One is the PowerPoint, second is your assignment, and third is the declaration of originality, which you're gonna sign off.
Okay.
Right. So there should be three documents. If it is not asking for the PowerPoint presentation, then there should be only assignment and the declaration of the originality form.
Yep, that's fine.
Yep. So this is it actually. You just have to follow the assignment brief, and you just have
Hmm.
to attempt the questions. Make sure that questions should be detailed, and we do not accept bullet points into the questions, into your
Yeah.
answers. Basically, it should be paragraph based, right? And it should be detailed. And we do not accept PDF files into your assignment submissions. It should be only Word documents, right?
Hmm. So is
Okay.
there a bullet points allowed in the slides?
Presentations, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, okay.
yeah, but not in your assignments,
Yeah, that's
because
fine.
you're gonna write down bullet points in your presentation, but in the speaker notes, you're gonna explain those bullet points, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you cannot write down bullet points into your assignment.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so that's all from my side. Now I will just wait for your assignment submission then.
Yeah.
If you face any queries, just drop us an email and we will be able to help you out.
Okay, thank you so much.
Any questions for me?
No, not really. I cleared them up a while ago.
Okay, okay, no worries then. I
Okay,
hope the
thank
session will be helpful for you then.
uh, it was. Thank you.
Okay, have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.